Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to deactivate a T-Mobile SIM on your iPhone safely and easily. If you're switching phones, selling your iPhone, or replacing your SIM, you might need to deactivate your T-Mobile SIM. Many people get confused because simply removing the SIM doesn't always fully deactivate it, and your account might still show the line as active. Don't worry, I'll show you the correct steps to deactivate your SIM properly, ensuring your line is disconnected and ready for a new device or number. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Back up your iPhone data. Before deactivating your SIM, make sure your important data is backed up to iCloud or a computer. This ensures you don't lose contacts, messages, or app data during the process. Step 2. Remove the SIM from your iPhone. Use the SIM ejector tool or a small paper clip to remove the SIM card from the side tray of your iPhone. This prevents the phone from connecting to T-Mobile's network. Step 3. Deactivate via T-Mobile account or app. Log into the T-Mobile app or visit my.tmobile.com. Go to Account, Lines and Devices, select the line associated with the SIM, and choose Deactivate SIM. This step is important because removing the SIM alone doesn't deactivate the service. T-Mobile needs to confirm the line is inactive. Step 4. Contact T-Mobile support. Optional but recommended. Call T-Mobile customer service or use chat to confirm the SIM has been fully deactivated. They can also help if you plan to transfer the number to a new device. Step 5. Reset network settings. Optional, but it might help clear any lingering network configurations. On your iPhone, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. This clears any lingering network configurations tied to the deactivated SIM. Doing this prevents your iPhone from trying to connect to the old T-Mobile line accidentally. And that's it. Your T-Mobile SIM should now be deactivated on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more quick mobile guides.